To transfer money from Citi to Zelle, you need to have a Citi account and be enrolled in Citi Online or the Citi mobile app. First, ensure your Citi account is eligible for Zelle transfers by checking the Citi website or mobile app. Next, enroll in Zelle through the Citi mobile app or the Zelle app itself if you have not already done so. You will need to provide your mobile number or email address to receive a verification code. Once verified, you can add your Citi account as a funding source within Zelle. To initiate the transfer, open the Citi mobile app, navigate to the Transfers section, and select Send Money with Zelle. Choose the account you want to transfer from. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile number, and the amount you want to send. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming the transfer. It is essential to note that Zelle transfers typically occur within minutes, but may take up to 1 business day to process. Also, be aware of any transfer limits that may apply to your Citi account. For security purposes, always verify the recipient's information before sending money, and never send money to unknown parties. Additionally, keep your devices and accounts secure with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. In case of any issues or concerns during the transfer process, you can contact Citi customer support or Zelle support for assistance. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and efficiently transfer money from Citi to Zelle.